carbonara. I will check the bundle.
So, I look for the available ingredients for my carbonara. I got some ham and chicken hot dogs in the ref, garlic and onion, 1 kilogram of macaroni noodles, 2 packs of Knorr mushroom soup, 1 can of tuna hot and spicy, and 1 can of all-purpose cream.
I'm ready to cook!
First, I chop the garlic, and then the onion. I peeled and chopped the chicken sausage. I put the mushroom soup powder on the bowl and pour some water. I stir it to dissolve the mixture. Before I cook the sauce, I boiled water in the kettle and then I pour it in the rice cooker. I put some salt and cooking oil in the boiling water.
I'm using macaroni noodles instead of spaghetti or linguine pasta.
While waiting for the noodles to cook, I will prepare the sauce. I start by putting oil in the pan and cook the ham in medium heat until it's crispy. And after that, fry the hot dogs. Instead of bacon, I'm using ham and chicken hot dog. After frying the ham and hot dog, set them aside.
On the same pan, saute the garlic until light brown.
Add the onion and cook it until it becomes soft. Pour the tuna and then the mushroom soup mixture in the pan. Add some water and stir. Let the mixture cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add the hot dogs and ham. Stir and let them boil. While waiting, I check the pasta. It's cooked al dente. I removed the pan from the rice cooker and put the pasta in the steamer to remove excess water. Then, I place it in the serving pan. I check the sauce and it's boiling, so I turn off the heat. Now, add the sauce to the noodles in the pan until it's get coated evenly. Then, add the remaining ham and hot dogs. Lastly, put some grated cheese on the top. Oh yeah! It's ready! It is my own version of macaroni tuna carbonara.
A perfect gift for my mom. Happy Mother's Day! Bye!